My name is Ron Olson. This is the Invitation to Manufacturing Training Program, the free 44-hour program designed to provide experiences for you in manufacturing. We are providing 3 training tracks: a metal fabrication welding track, a metal machining quality track, and a plastics processing training track.
The job market for this program is enormous. The pay rate just getting into the door. It's competitive, it is life-changing, it's dream-fulfilling. I was in healthcare management. I was dissatisfied, I felt unfulfilled. Having to start something all over, to me it was a scary thought, but I knew that's what I had to do in order to change my life.
During the invitational program, our instructors were able to really gauge at which point each of us were in our understanding, and were able to work from there.
The college classes are also very accommodating. They are flexible and accommodating to adult work schedules.
We've partnered with over 16 companies to help us design this curriculum. They will be here to support, help, and assist you in your future career.
Manufacturing has changed greatly. It's not the dark, dingy manufacturing factory of yesteryear.
When you're working in this kind of environment, it almost seems like you're not even in a manufacturing area, okay? But it is manufacturing.
The invitation program is really divided into 3 parts. The first part provides basic skills related to manufacturing concepts and measurement, safety, inspection, print reading, and general workplace communications. Part 2 are hands-on component, which provides hands-on, project-based experiences in either metal fabrication, welding, metal machining, and quality. From there, we finish with Part 3, the career path preparation. We prepare you for that job. We're going to work with you to build your resume, to practice interviewing skills, and then most importantly, we will bring area employers on site and do mock interviews with you. They'll provide feedback to you and give you tips on how you can become a better interviewer and secure that next job.
To come and to be part of the program is exciting. You're going to have the opportunity to learn new skills to have a better future.
We'd like to invite you to explore some careers in manufacturing.